Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make sloppy joes. Sloppy joes is a sandwich that consists of ground beef, seasonings and tomato sauce. It is so delicious, very easy to make, so let's get started. So guys, the first thing that I'm going to do is to cook my onions and my cubanelle pepper. So here in this pan over medium-high heat, I have some oil and I allow it to get hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add my diced onions and cubanelle pepper. If you don't have cubanelle pepper, you can use the red bell pepper or you can use the other green bell pepper. And I'm gonna cook those there for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and softened. After that, we're going to go ahead and add our minced garlic and cook it for about 30 seconds until you start to smell it. Now we're going to go ahead and add our ground beef. I am using 90% lean because that's what I like. And I'm just gonna break it up with a spoon, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning. I'm gonna add garlic powder, onion powder, Worcestershire, I always have problem pronouncing this word, Worcestershire sauce. Okay, whatever, you get the point. Then I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. I'm gonna give a little mix, and then I'm gonna add some yellow mustard and mix everything together. And you're gonna cook this mixture until the meat is nice and brown. That will take like about 8 minutes. In the description box I will put all the directions and ingredients, so don't worry. Once my meat is nice and brown, we're going to go ahead and add tomato sauce, tomato paste, brown sugar. Give everything a nice mix. And also you're going to add some water. So what I do is I just add the water into the can and I just swirl around and then rinse it, add it to the mixture. Give everything a nice stir until everything is well combined. And then we're gonna simmer this for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna lower the heat to low. I'm gonna cover it and simmer it for 15 to 20 minutes until everything is nice and thick and delicious. So after 15 minutes, this is how it looks. I'm gonna give everything a nice stir, and then I'm gonna taste for seasoning and adjust the seasoning to my liking. Add salt and pepper if needed. So what I have here is some brioche buns. I love these brioche buns. They are so tasty, but you can use regular hamburger buns if you want. So I'm just gonna open it up and add my meat sauce there, and there you have it. This sandwich, it is so delicious, so easy to make, and I know you love it. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for homemade sloppy joes. The recipe will be in the description box. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, and I see you in my next upload. Bye.
Bye everybody, it was fun.